Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to automate wise transfers. So you can simply automate wise transfers by using the built-in scheduled or recurring transfers function in Wise. So open up Wise and log into your Wise account, and then once you're on your Wise account here, on your left side menu you have the payment option. Go to the payment section here, and once you click on the payment section here, this will take you to the payments page. So from here you can set up like recurring payments or scheduled payments. So in any of these options, so for example like scheduled payments or scheduled transfers, you can set up a scheduled transfer. So click on scheduled transfer. Okay, click on it and then go to this page here where you're going to schedule the transfers. Okay, what you're going to do now is simply select the recipient, so who you want to send it to. So just select the recipient and then select the amount, the transfer amount. So for example, let's say I just do that, I'll just write a transfer amount. Okay, I'll do that, and then now what we're going to do is scroll all the way down, and here is how you want to pay it. So you can change that if you want to. Otherwise you're going to click on this schedule option here. Click on the schedule option here, and then now select when do you want to schedule this to automate this. So for example, I want this to be done in after 10 days. So I'm going to select the date here, and then here for the repeats you can select whether you want these to be like recurring. So you want to automate these every month, for example, so on the same date of every month. So for example, monthly on the 25th of every month here. Okay, till when, so you can set an end date, or else you can just leave it as never, and then you can click on the set sheet schedule. Okay, so this will now automate this process every month on the 25th as I set up here, and then click on continue and then complete the transaction. So this is how you can automate transfers on Wise.